Hello everyone, I just want to start off my video by stating that I've had this footage for way too long and I am just now barely starting to edit and upload it, so I apologize for the absence. More videos hopefully will be coming soon, so just let me know what you guys want to see down below. Anyway, enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be an awesome video because I'm gonna be putting in new seats into my Nissan D21 Hardbody. So let's get started. You know, we gotta, of course, we have to get the before and after. Can't live without it. So, alright, so this is the interior currently. You see I got my racing wheel, which I'm still looking for a horn solution. I have one, it's just I need to get a thicker hub, but that's okay. Have the shift knob, the really bad target format, so I'm gonna get something different soon. So, and then you got the OEM seats, which don't look the nicest, so we're gonna get that taken care of. Oh yeah, I also have a cool head unit just sitting here, but yeah. So we're gonna get started. Let's move the truck kind of more in the middle of the driveway. Gonna move my dad's car, and yeah, we'll get started. You know what, while we're waiting, because I'm waiting for him to come downstairs so that we can get started here. So while we're waiting, let me show you what we have. Just today, the seat brackets actually came in. So we have the brackets here. These get bolted to the seats and then into the truck. So these are the sliding rails, so that the seats retain the slidability, and you can see the red. Red leather seats. It is genuine leather, not plastic leather or pleather, so I'm looking forward. Oh. Yeah, he got a nice exhaust on his car now, so let's get this seat probably taken kind of over there. He's gonna move his car for me, so that's gonna be pretty nice. A little squeaky. But this means we can now move the Nissan. Okay, well, we can move the Nissan to where we have to put it now, so, which is funny. Somehow these turned into spare keys, but we're good. Remember, these seats, they're gonna change. They're not gonna be what they are now, and I am excited to swap them out, have something a little nicer for a change. So, let's just move her on over here. Okay, well, this box is now empty. We just have the sliders and this, so let's, I don't know, man, I'm just excited. Let's go. Let's just remember, these seats are going in here, so this is gonna look so nice. So we have to start by taking off this seat, which there's a bolt here, bolt there, and if I pull the seat forward, there's a bolt here and a bolt back there, which it's filthy back here. So while we're doing this, we're also gonna get a chance to clean under the seat. So let's see, I think that's a 14 millimeter? I don't know, let's see, might be a 14. Let's see, the 14 and a 13. I'm gonna do just common hand tools because this is very doable on common hand tools. Let's start with the 14, see if it works. If not, way too big. This might even be a 12. Let's see, I think it's a 12, either an 11 or 12. That's actually kind of crazy to me. So it's not a 13 or 14, it's an 11 or 12. Got the 11 or 12. Let's see, check this out. Let's try a 12 here. Perfect. I'll try to get this to come off. Oh wow, okay, not too bad. That's actually not doing too bad. just gotta keep going. Oh, we could almost screw it with our hands. It's almost like these seats have been taken out before. There we go. Or hands unscrewing it. Oh, here we go. All right, that's one. You got the floor, or you can see the ground. Let's see if you can see my finger. Oh, you see my ring right there. Now we gotta get back here for the second one. Jeez, yeah, this really needs a cleaning back here. There's so many coins, a little bit of plastic stuff. It's interesting. All right, time for this one. There's even a BB bullet here. That's interesting. This one's coming up a lot quicker and a lot easier, a lot faster. I can probably do it like this. Oh yeah, easy. Wow, that's shockingly enough. I wonder why it got so loose or how it got so loose. Okay, you know what? Okay, we know it's a 12. Oh, bird. Oh, we got a bird in the garage. Underneath the car. Look at that. Hey, bird. Just get some power tools because that's annoying. Got it. Not power tools, but it works. So there you go. Let's do this. All right. Should have just done this in the first place. There you go. There's screw number 2. The way I'm going to do this is put this screw here, this screw here. This is just so I remember, and then the front ones go up here. So now what we can do is push the seat all the way back, do that, and go after these. There we go. That's the next screw. Oh, to get these things to crack, that's what's difficult, but then after you get it to crack, it's just like one smooth shot. There you go. All right, so we got all 4 out. Alrighty, we did it. Oh man, that is filthy. Oh dear God, what even is this? From what year is this? This is from 2020. This is a McDonald's receipt from 2020 that somehow got like perfectly rolled up. Look how perfectly rolled that is from 2020. This is when my grandpa was driving the car. Wow, that's interesting. I never thought I'd find that, honestly. Wow, this is kind of weird seeing nothing here. But I'm gonna get the vacuum, start vacuuming some of this up after I pick up all the coins, because more money for me. I'm making money already doing this. It's gonna be my living right here. So, and some more, lot. This, I think is the ECU. Yeah, that's the ECU. So, I'm leaving that alone. Wow, okay, let me vacuum this up. Okay, vacuum in 3, 2, 1. All right, there you go, all nicely vacuumed. So now I know it's not the cleanest. I am planning on getting another like carpet for this truck, but for now it'll do. You know, this is only temporary. So now we have to work on the actual seats. I'm gonna start with the brackets and make sure that they fit correctly, because if they don't, we all know that that would pretty much just suck. So let's do that. Let's cut into this box here. See here. Oh man, they look so good. All right. This is the passenger bracket, exactly what we needed. So this, I believe, goes this way. Wow, it pretty much it bolts right up. It's a perfect fit. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, since we know it fits, let's get the rails put on. Let's sit in these seats for one last time while we unbox these slide rails for these seats. Alright, these are the bars you pull. And here's the rails. Okay. There's more rails for the other side. I guess they just have the hardware just flying around in there. That's not nice. Now, the only concerning part is they did not give me any instructions. So I have to try to do this kind of like as a first timer thing. Let me just say, sheesh, these look good. I hope they're comfortable because they just, Icon Motorsport just sent these out to me and, oh man, okay, let's just work. Okay, so to me, this seems a little self-explanatory, but obviously I could be far from the truth.
2 hours later.
Because now I'm having trouble pushing it back. Oh, oh no! There it went. There you went. Oh no, I already shattered the screen on the GoPro. Wow. Okay, so we have this first seat pretty much done. Once you know how to do it, it's fairly simple and it won't take much to remember how to do it. So we're gonna do the next seat. What I gotta figure out is, I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's in the truck. The brackets, they don't come with any hardware to bolt onto your seat. So I have to figure that one out unless I get rid of the rails, the slide rails, and just hard mount the bracket to the seat, which isn't a bad idea. It's just there won't be any maneuverability with it. So I don't know. This is kind of a weird one. I'm gonna try the driver's seat without the slide rails and or the passenger seat. We're gonna do the passenger seat without the slide rails. I just did the driver's seat, so we're just gonna try it, see how it comes out. You know, who knows? We'll see. Alrighty, I am now fighting daylight, but we got the first seat in. Let me just push it back. Boom. And it's nice, it's comfortable. At first I thought it was gonna be like super duper small, stuff like that, but you know what? I enjoy it. I think it's gonna add a lot to the interior. So now we just took out all the bolts for this last driver's seat, and we're gonna pull her out, and yeah. So this is gonna be interesting to drive with. It's gonna be different, but I'm looking forward to it. So let's go. All right, there we go. So I'm taking off the rails. I'm just gonna use this just bare bones on the bracket, only because the these rails, I don't have one, the hardware, and two, they don't line up. Like the holes just don't line up. So I'm going to get different seat brackets that will line up with both, and or I could also drill into these. That's, you know, another thing I could do. But for now, I'm just gonna run just bare bones seat and bracket and leave it at that. So it's okay. Well, I have the bracket on. We're gonna go put it in the truck. So yeah, you guys will get to see that one. There it is. Just get this one in, and then I'll do like a test seating just check it out. Alrighty. So we're gonna go for a little test drive. This is just one of many. So, man, you sit pretty high up too, which is something I do like. So, these seats are heavily budgeted, so just gotta get used to it. That's all. And then in 6 months to a year, I'm actually gonna be doing a long-term review on these chairs, on these seats. So look out for that in about 6 months. So I have lights, the seats. I think that comes together very nicely, in my opinion. Absolutely awesome. Now, I've been driving this for a little while now. That's why it's a little dirty. I gotta clean the seats as soon as I get a chance. However, there it is. Got the steering wheel all nice and done. Shifter nice and done. The seats, I mean, it looks immaculate, especially when you look at it from here. You know, it's something different and it looks immaculate and I love it so very much. However, I have a lot to do, so we'll work on that in another video.